Do you want reliable electricity from the sun, even when the grid is down? In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how an off-grid solar system works and the 10-step checklist to install it yourself without getting lost in jargon. Stay until the end of this video, as I will be revealing 3 common mistakes to avoid. Let's dive right in. What is an off-grid solar system? An off-grid solar system is a self-contained power source. Solar panels collect sunlight and produce direct current electricity. A charge controller manages power into a battery bank for storage. An inverter converts DC to AC for household appliances. No utility connection is needed. You generate, store, and consume your own electricity. Think of it like a pantry. Panels are the harvest, the battery is the shelf, and the inverter is the plate. How solar panels make electricity? Solar panels are made of many cells of silicon, a semiconductor. Each cell has 2 layers, creating an internal electric field. When sunlight hits the cells, photons knock electrons loose and produce direct current. More sunlight produces more electrons, resulting in more power. Panels are connected in series or parallel to 4 modules, and multiple modules make a solar array. Panel efficiency and sunlight intensity determine the amount of electricity generated. What are the main components required? A reliable off-grid solar system has 5 core parts. 1. The solar array converts sunlight to DC electricity, solar panels. 2. The charge controller protects batteries and increases efficiency. Maximum power point tracking MPPT controllers are preferred. 3. The battery bank stores energy, and you choose the size according to your power consumption and autonomy days. Lead acid and lithium are common options. 4. The inverter converts DC to AC and should be sized for continuous and peak loads. And 5. Proper wiring and overcurrent protection devices keep the system safe. How much power do you need? Start with energy accounting by listing all appliances, their wattage, and hours used per day. For example, a 50-watt fridge running 10 hours per day consumes 500 watt-hours daily. Add a 20 to 30% buffer for safety. Battery capacity is calculated as daily watt-hours multiplied by autonomy days divided by the usable depth of discharge. For example, 3,000 watt-hours per day times 2 days divided by 0.5 depth of discharge equals a 12,000 watt-hour battery, while the solar array size is calculated as daily watt-hours divided by peak sun hours, plus 20% for losses. For example, 3,000 watt-hours divided by 5 peak sun hours equals a 600-watt array. Checklist for step-by-step installation. Here's the 10-step installation flow. Step 1. Design the system based on daily energy needs, autonomy days, and panel wattage. Step 2. Size the battery bank and choose the chemistry. Step 3. Size the solar array according to the battery size and peak sun hours. Step 4. Select a charge controller rated above the array's maximum current. Step 5. Pick an inverter size for continuous and surge loads. Step 6. Select proper wires and overcurrent protection devices. Step 7. Mount the solar panels on the roof or ground with the correct tilt and orientation. Step 8. Install batteries in a ventilated, secure cabinet. Step 9. Wire the controller to the battery, then the array to the controller. Step 10. Connect DC and AC appliances to the battery and inverter and test voltages and loads. Common mistakes and troubleshooting. There are 3 common DIY mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Underestimating electricity consumption by always measuring real usage. Mistake 2. Oversizing panels but undersizing batteries. Mistake 3. Poor wiring and missing overcurrent protection. For troubleshooting, check open circuit voltage and controller input current first. Cost and return on investment, ROI. Solar costs have dropped dramatically over the last 2 decades. Better panels and supply chains make off-grid systems more affordable. Think of your system as a long-term asset. Lower electricity bills, energy independence, and savings on fuel and maintenance. If you found this video useful, hit like and subscribe. In the next video, I will be explaining design and installation details, basic electricity rules, and formulas. Thank you for watching.